show you to make a coffee maker from Lego. We take this block of Lego and this block of Lego and this block like in this here, and we put this one so there's like a machine, and we put this green block here, so this is gonna be the filling coffee, and this is gonna be coffee, and there's what there's a cup. You want to coffee just like this, and the coffee machine will the coffee maker. Bye bye.